Hi, Blake here with another review. This is for this pretty basic but nice electric screwdriver. I love these dual position screwdrivers. I mean, they're not the fastest, and it kind of looks like it's spinning crooked. It's a little off center, but that shouldn't affect it too much. That's honestly could just be the chuck. So it is magnetic, not super strong magnetic, but magnetic nonetheless. It comes with all these, well, all these bits, including that one. I'm actually going to give it a shot. It should be a decent test on the torque. Unfortunately, it just didn't have the hex size I needed. So I'm going to give this a shot. Try this. It might help if I had a... There we go. And so it's tightened, so what I'm going to do is manually crank it, and hey, it's not breaking, so it can handle the manual twisting pretty well. In that case, because I've had some that literally, like, it broke the mechanism, so pretty nice. Like I said, not super fast, but do you really need that much speed for basic projects like assembling furniture and stuff? Probably not. So yeah, I like it. I'd recommend it.